Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2017 Jaguar XJ Portfolio long wheelbase we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle. This particular vehicle has a long list of specifications, some standard, some optional features. To begin with, some of the exterior features you've got the Santorini black metallic paint, the optional 20-inch Urana diamond turned alloy wheels. The Portfolio model gets you some of the chrome trim inserts around the car being displayed. You get privacy glass, LED tail lights, and the LED daytime running lights at the front with the bi-xenon headlights. You've got a full leather interior with the jet soft grain leather and the contrast diamond stitching. Lots of the features on the interior of this vehicle are standard on the Portfolio. To begin with, you've got the full electric functions and lumbar support for the driver and the passenger in the front. You've got memory settings on the door cards, the Meridian sound system, the ebony gloss wood inlay trims as well, which run throughout the cabin, the premium carpet set mats, and your premium leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel. You've also got the heated steering wheel function. You get keyless entry and soft closing doors as well as part of your Portfolio inclusions. Cruise control is also standard. Some of your gloss black inlay trims visible on the centre console, with your knurled drive selector, some of your driving modes, and your climate control functions, as well as some of your infotainment controls. You've got access to your seat functions from the buttons here, where on the centre screen you can see both the driver and the passenger seat are heated and cooled, as well as having the massage function. You've also got access to your heated rear seats from here, as well as in the back of the car. You've got a reversing camera and digital radio, as well as the optional digital TV reception. Some of your climate vents above with the gloss black and chrome trim inserts, and your clock in the centre illuminated with the ambient lighting. You've got a suede headliner as a standard inclusion on the Portfolio as well. Dual panoramic glass sunroof. And in the rear of the car, you've got access to your dual zone climate control, also your heated and cooled rear seating. Lastly, you get the electric rear sunblinds, which come up on the rear two side windows and also the window in the back as a standard inclusion on all long wheelbase models. If you'd like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2017 Jaguar XJ Portfolio long wheelbase, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.